Hello everybody, I'm Grace, I'm 7, and now I'm reviewing Sing My Name Alarm Clock. It embarrasses me sometimes, but anyway, and this is the tune.
Wake up, Grace, you little sleepyhead. Wake up, Grace, time to get out of bed. The shining...
Okay, I think that's enough out of you. Okay. And the best thing you can do when you go into your parents' bedroom, right, along with you, bring a stick or something, and do this in your ear. Or put that on again.
What is good about your alarm clock, Grace?
It wakes you up, certainly. You can set it to a certain time, so the music goes on.
And does it always wake you up if you put it on?
Yes, comes to mind. But my parents don't like me putting it on because it freaks them out.
It doesn't freak me out. Who does it actually freak out?
My dad,
Okay.
Ross.
Yes. He doesn't really like it, but he's going to have to deal with it, especially when school starts again, isn't he?
Especially when I'm year 3.
Okay, so thumbs up for this product or thumbs down? Lovely. Okay.
Especially with the noise. Oh, shut up!